All right. It's that time again, folks. That's right, you in the front. You guessed it, yard and garage sailing. So if you're into that sort of content, head over to your fridge, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your screen, and enjoy the show. Because it's looking like another day in paradise out here. Oh yeah. Let's get it. There we go. Garage sale sign. Let's do this. Yep, first one right here. Driving like a madman for these signs right here. If I'm not, somebody else is driving like crazy. Competition out here, left and right. Now where is it? Oh, there it is. That's the yard sale. I'm going right to there right now. Alright people, wish me luck. I think I'm like one of the first here. Just left that garage sale. Nothing of interest. On to the next one we go. Aw, yeah. Alright, right here. Oh man, these people don't even have it set up. And look at this. They left this overnight. So they had a yard sale yesterday. You know what that means. Yep, on to the next one we go. Yeah. Shout out to this one, speeding. All right, just leaving this one, and no luck there. Guess I should have been there 2 minutes prior. I think that guy walking in the truck, he ended up grabbing all the goodies. A lot of resellers out here. Competition is fierce. All right. Yeah, so the sun is messing around with my camera. Alright, there's a yard sale somewhere down this area. If you guys see the sign, do let me know. Whoa, dude, stay there. Look at this guy. Keeps coming on camera. Yeah. Kind of wished he actually hit me, because it would have been on camera. There we go. There's that sign. To the right. Alright. Actually a lot of yard sales and garage sales and estate sales and etc. today. Everybody can see I'm gonna wear myself out throughout the day. In and out, in and out. And it's hot out. Right now it's 87 degrees and it's 9:27 a.m. my friends. Alright, to the left. Oh, Bixley. I hope this ain't the one on the right hand side. Oh, it is. This here is a reseller. They don't have much that's any good. It's just junkage. It's just, look at this, box after box after box, and it's clothing, and it goes all over. Yeah, I can't deal with that right now. I'm gonna get going. See, there's a brown house where this white van is. I actually put an offer on that house. It didn't go through. But anyways, that was 2 years ago. On to the next one we go. Back to the main road. Hey, shout out to the squirrel. Oh, where is he? Ah, man, he's gone. Oh, there he is. You see him, right? Yeah. I don't know if you saw him or not. I'll have to replay the video. But anyways, here's the main road up ahead. Here we go. There's another sale right here. And it's says Bannister. Now Bannister's right here. Yeah, this looks like one of those sales that I went to. Oh no, I didn't. It was on the street. I went last week. There was a sale here on the street. But look at that. It's on the right hand side. I'm gonna focus in there. It has a lot of goods. Holy crap. Alright, I'm gonna go check this one out. Wish me luck. This might be a good one. This is a moving sale. Alright, just leaving this one. And guess what I bought? More records. I told myself I wasn't going to buy any more, but it was a good deal, so there we go. I bought it. And look at this. His next door neighbor is having a yard sale, so I guess I'm going to stop here and check this out. Alright, just left that garage sale, and guess what? I did it again. More records. I told myself already twice, no more records. Guess what? More records. And they're not even American, they're Spanish. I know a little bit of Spanish because it's close enough to Portuguese, but I don't know. I think I have an addiction with buying stuff. With that being said, on to the next yard sale, garage sale, estate sale. Actually, no estate sale. Moving sale is what I want to say. We go. Look at that. Beautiful out here. Alright, just leaving that one. Grabbed a few items. Nothing too spectacular. Alright, here's everything that I ended up grabbing today. Yeah, definitely a record day. That was one transaction. This one was one seller, but two transactions. This one here, I think it was right up to here. This one, and this one. That was a different transaction. Actually, that one too. And then this whole bundle was a whole different transaction. So, got 1, 2, we'll call that one 3 and 4. It's just records galore. It has a mixture of Spanish and country, jazz, rock and roll, instrumental. It goes on and on. These are in better shape. These were taken care of. This was part of a collection. So check that one out. Really good shape. Christmas, all kinds of stuff in here. I just missed 2 of those. Yeah, there's some comedy over here as well. Apparently John Kennedy sang. I don't know what's up with that. Look at that. It's in really good shape too. Actually, that's still sealed. Yes. Another Richard Pryor. Robin Williams. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of these Kennedy ones. Look at that. Brand new, sealed. Oh no, it's been opened. Mama's Bailey, Wanted, Richard Pryor again, George Carlin. Oh yeah, it's a good one. So anyways, yeah. Wow, a lot of Carlins. I didn't notice that. Hey, Cheech and Chong. I didn't even notice that was there. Interesting. That one's ruined, huh? Look at that. But anyways, these as well, it's all over the place. I have to go through it, see what's in here. Okay, so that's the records. There's a few things in here. This here, it's done. It's an adapter, basically. Instead of using a 9-volt, you can plug this in, and that takes care of that problem. Place that there. Let me see what's over here. That's it for that. Okay, so a big collection of these advertised screwdrivers, all kinds. I just bought the whole bundle. Check that thing out. It's an oldie right there. Oh, by the way, if anyone's interested in any of this gear I'm about to show you, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at, full time at Full Throttle. All right, back to these. I don't know, I might just get rid of these as a lot. I usually don't grab CDs, but I only grabbed it because of this one. Those two were for free. Simply because these do well. A lot of people looking for dance jams like that. Below that is a good find right here. A Kai. It's a drum little machine. Hooks up to USB drive computer. This one here doesn't have the power cord, but I was told it works. And this is a burner for your VHSs. Okay. This one here, it's a kid's toy synthesizer. Did I say it right? Synthesizer. Yeah, try saying that a million times. No power cord to it. Oop, about to break that. But it takes a 7.5 volt. I'm sure I have that or an adapter, so that's that. Also, there's another one there. This one was really cheap. Only reason why I got this was to circuit bend it. If you don't know what circuit bending is, you can always YouTube that, check it out. It's pretty cool. You just go in there, modify some circuits, add a couple of knobs, switches, blah blah blah, and you can change totally the sound of the output on these keys. Here, one of these Playmates, very good condition. No, I shouldn't say very good, but it's acceptable condition. And yeah, always good to have these, right? Anywhere in the world. So that's that. Check this radio out. I don't want to scratch it, but this is vintage, probably 1980s, I'm thinking. But it's by General Electric, and you can detach the speakers from its unit with a cord. Overall, in good shape, other than some dust. I noticed that the door opens slow, so gotta lubricate that, but it does open, and inside is very dusty. So I'm gonna be refurbishing that, or should I say restoring, or close enough to whatever I just said. Okay, that's that. Graphic equalizer. That's cool. It does have, yeah, that's nice. That's a bonus. Very nice. So you have your bass, mids, treble. Very cool. That's why I grabbed it. It's a nice little radio right there. Okay, and then here I have a Genesis. $10 I paid, right? That was a good deal. Came with a power supply and the video card and all that crap. Also, a calculator. I forgot about that. The TI 85. That as well. Only one remote on that, by the way. And I'm not getting rid of it for $10. I do have some games that I'm going to include with this. And lastly, a little retro vintage photo. Now, take a closer look at this. I don't know if that's demon babies back there or what, but there was so much detail in this photo. It's amazing. I actually like it. A little creepy, but I like it. That's that. That's all I found. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick haul video. You guys and gals have a good one. Until the next one, cheers.